Part 2 का chapter 6 permutation combination, very important chapter from foundation point of view also. It also forms basics for probability, तो इसलिए ये बहुत ही important है. कुछ unique concepts है इसके. तो first concept, before we start with actual permutation combination, we'll go with the concepts, and the first concept is factorial notation. Factorial notation is given by exclamation n factorial. If I say n factorial, it means product of first n natural numbers. So if I say 6 factorial, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. Product of first 6 natural number. If I say 5 factorial, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. We can also write it as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is nothing but 4 factorial. So we can write 5 factorial as 5 into 4 factorial. So n factorial can always be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. मतलब 6 factorial आप 6 into 5 factorial भी लिख सकते हैं, या 6 into pi into 4 factorial भी लिख सकते हैं, and this can go on up to 1. Now very important, 0 factorial is always 1. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, because see 0 factorial is 1, it is given. Because it will be product of first 0 natural numbers. 1 factorial is product of first natural number, that is 1. 1 का product 1 ही आएगा. 2 factorial is product of first 2 natural number. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. That will be 6. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That will be 24. Similarly, 5 factorial is 120. 6 is 720. 8 is 5040. 7 is 5040. 8 is 4320. 9 factorial is 3,62,880. And 10 factorial is 36,28,800. अब ये फैक्टोरियल लर्न करने हैं क्या? नहीं, लेकिन आप जैसे ही सम्स करते हो धीरे धीरे ये लर्न हो जाते हैं. ये मैं पहले 10 फैक्टोरियल दे देती हूँ. जब भी सम्स, whenever the sums will come, अगर 10 फैक्टोरियल तक है तो आप उसे खुद लिख सकते हैं. You can write down the number and simplify. अगर 10 फैक्टोरियल के ऊपर कोई फैक्टोरियल है तो no need to write down the multiplication. You can simply keep it as it is. मतलब 11 फैक्टोरियल है तो 11 फैक्टोरियल ही रखो, उसे सिंप्लीफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because we don't have calcies in 11th standard, so we can't simplify that. Calci भी 15 फैक्टोरियल के बाद बंद हो जाता है. We are first taking exercise 6.2 because it is dependent completely on the factorial notation. So the first exercise is, first sum is evaluate 8 factorial. 8 factorial. First में से first. 8 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Or I can write it like this. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. We have already written it. It is 40,320. Second case is 6 factorial. 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into, और यही आदत रखनी है decreasing या descending order में multiplication करने की. 3 into 2 into 1, this is nothing but 720. If you multiply, you will get it. 6 into 5, 30, 30, 4 is 120, 362 is 720. Then the third one, 8 factorial minus 6 factorial. See, this is 8 factorial minus 6 factorial. 8 factorial is 4320 minus 6 factorial is 720. और फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन कोई कॉमन लेने वाली चीज नहीं होती है कि विल टेक इट कॉमन मल्टीप्लाई इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. नो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. सो 4320 minus 720. This is 39,600. Fourth one. 8 minus 6 factorial. अब ये मैंने अभी बोला कि फैक्टोरियल कोई कॉमन लेने वाली चीज नहीं है, उसको आप कोई अंदर मल्टीप्लाई वगैरह नहीं करते हो. So this will become 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2. See, 8 factorial minus 6 factorial means 40,320 minus 720. तो ये अलग है. और ये 8 minus 2 ब्रैकेट फैक्टोरियल, मतलब पहले सब्सट्रैक्ट होगा और फिर फैक्टोरियल लगेगा, तो इसकी वैल्यू अलग आती है. Let us go with question number 2. Compute 12 factorial upon 6 factorial. 6.2 question 2. First, 12 factorial upon 6 factorial. We can write this as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Whole thing upon 6 factorial, this will get cancelled. This is your answer if you multiply this. मैं तो बोलूंगी ये इतना मल्टीप्लिकेशन के झंझट में नहीं भी आप पढ़ते हो तो भी चलेगा. दिस ओनली टू मेक थिंग्स क्लियर टू यू. 12 फैक्टोरियल मींस व्हाट? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट 12 नंबर्स. 12 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते जाएंगे तो 6 के आगे भी उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना. दिस नथिंग बट 6 into pi into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Even if I don't write it like this, I can write it 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And what is 6 factorial? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This will get cancelled with this. So 6 factorial is getting cancelled with 6 factorial. This is your answer. Second, 12 upon 6 factorial. Bracket देखो यहाँ पे 12 upon 6 bracket factorial. What is 12 by 6? 2 factorial. Answer is 2. Then the third one, 3 into 2 factorial. 3 into 2 factorial. It is 6 factorial. That is 720. क्योंकि ये पहले मल्टीप्लाई होगा फिर फैक्टोरियल लगेगा उसको. Next is 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 factorial into 2 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 6. 2 factorial is 2. Your answer is 12. Next, question number 3. Simplification. Compute 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial. 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial. 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial. This will get cancelled. We can write 9 into 8 into 7 upon 1 into 2 into 3. 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 into 1. Same. 3 3s are 4s are. It is 12 7s are 84. Then the second. It's 6 factorial minus 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. 6 factorial is 720 minus 24 upon 24. 720 minus 24 is 696 divided by 24. Six 96 divided by 24 is 29. Third, 8 factorial upon 6 factorial minus 4 factorial. 8 factorial is 4320. 6 factorial 720 minus 24. Your answer is 4320 divided by 696. Even if you don't solve it, it doesn't matter. ये कोई completely divisible तो है नहीं. And see, this is 8 factorial, 6 minus 4 factorial. The last one. 8 factorial, 6 minus 4 bracket factorial. It is 8 factorial upon 2 factorial. It is 4320 divided by 2. अब ये completely divisible होता है. So it's 20,160. So these are sums. Actually ये sums का कोई मतलब नहीं परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन में. ये क्यों दिया है आपको एक्सरसाइज? ताकि आपको फैक्टोरियल नोटेशन समझ में आ जाए, स्पेशली ये डिफरेंस समझ में आ जाए. 6 फैक्टोरियल माइनस 4 फैक्टोरियल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 6 माइनस 4 ब्रैकेट फैक्टोरियल. 3 factorial into 6 factorial is different, and 3 into 6 bracket factorial is 18 factorial. This is different. ये जो difference है वो आपको समझ में आ जाए बस. This is the whole intention. Question 4 is write in terms of factorial. And the first one is 5 factorial, 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Even if I say that this is 10 factorial, 4 factorial is missing here. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 ये इधर missing है. तो हम लोग इधर 4 factorial से multiply और divide कर देंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा 10 factorial upon 4 factorial. We have expressed in terms of factorial. Second one. Three into 6 into 9 into 12 into 15. The next is 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 into 15. अब जब ये ऐसे कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर में होता है तो हम लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 5 तक है, 10 से लेके 5 तक है, लेकिन उसके पहले के 1 तक नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने 4 फैक्टोरियल से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर लिया. इधर तो पता ही नहीं है, बट वी कैन डेफिनेटली राइट डाउन दिस एज 3 into 2. And this is of course 3 into 1. So I can say this is nothing but 3 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 4, 3 into 5. If I say 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, then I will get 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This is 3 raised to 5 into 5 factorial. Similarly, the next one, 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. Third one, it is 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. See, to make it easy, I can also write it in different way. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. तो उसके पहले जो है 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 वो मिसिंग है. I will say multiply by 5 factorial, divide by 5 factorial. This will become 9 factorial upon 5 factorial converted into factorial. Last one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Same. 5 into 10 into 15 into 20 into 25. This will be 5 into 1 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 4, 5 into 5. 5 raised to 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 will become 5 factorial. Converted them into factorial way. Now they are saying evaluate. Fifth, n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Question number 5. To evaluate as n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. For the first one, n is 8 and r is 6. So I can write it as 8 factorial, 6 factorial, 8 minus 6 factorial. I can write 8 as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. 8 minus 6 is 2 factorial. This will get cancelled. So it is 8 into 7 upon 1 into 2. Your answer is 28. Second is n is 12, r is 2. It will be 12 factorial, 2 factorial, 12 minus 2 factorial. I can write 12 into 11 into 10 factorial upon 2 factorial. 12 minus 2 is 10 factorial. This and this will get cancelled. So 12 into 11 upon 1 into 2. Your answer is 66. It's first and second. Okay, we have to do question number 6, but I think before that you should write about question 4 and 5. Find n if n upon 8 factorial is equals to 3 upon 6 factorial plus 1 upon 4 factorial. Question 6 is you have to find n upon 8 factorial is equals to 1 upon 6 factorial plus, sorry, 3 upon 6 factorial plus 1 upon 4 factorial. I can write down this as n upon 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial is equals to, here it can be written as 3 upon 6 into 5 into 4 factorial plus 1 upon 4 factorial. I can take 4 factorial common from here. So 1 by 4 factorial common. 3 upon 6 into 5 plus 1. And here it is 8 upon sorry, n upon 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. ये factorial cancel हो गया. So this is n upon 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 is equals to, this is 1 by 10 plus 1. So I can further write down this as n upon 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 is equals to 11 by 10. So n will be 11 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 upon 10. Now if we multiply this, 11 into 4 into 7 into 6. One 1848. This is your answer. Similarly, let us take the next one. If you multiply, you will get it 1848. Second is n upon 6 factorial is equals to 4 upon 8 factorial plus 3 upon 6 factorial. Question 6 ka second, n upon 6 factorial is equals to 4 upon 8 factorial plus 3 upon 6 factorial. We have to find out n. I can write n upon 6 factorial is equals to 4 upon 8 into 7 into 6 factorial plus 3 upon 6 factorial. हम लोग 1 upon 6 factorial को कॉमन ले लेंगे यहाँ पे. This will be 4 upon 8 into 7 plus 3. This and this will get cancelled. So n will be 4 upon 8 into 7 plus 3. So n is 4 upon 14 plus 3. So 4 upon 14 plus 3. So if I cross multiply, I will get 4 plus 42 upon 14. Sorry, this is not 4 upon 42. This will be 1 upon 42. 1 by 14 plus 3. This will be 1 plus 42 upon 14. This will be 43 by 14. This is your answer. The third one. Third one is also similar type. 1 upon n factorial is equals to 1 upon 4 factorial minus 4 upon 5 factorial. 1 upon n factorial is 1 upon 4 factorial minus 4 upon 5 factorial. I'll write 1 upon n factorial is equals to, now I can directly take it common also. 1 by 4 factorial if we take common, here it will be 1 minus 4 by 5. This will be 1 upon 4 factorial. And here it is 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5. 1 upon n factorial is 1 upon 5 into 4 factorial. So 1 by n factorial is 1 upon 5 factorial. Obviously n factorial is 5 factorial. N is equals to 5. This is your question 6.